guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with another video, but today we are not going to learn any type of programming. What we are going to learn is all about mighty command prompt. That's our CMD. After seeing this video, you will be feeling like, oh, I am a master of computer, but don't think that. This is just the basics. But these will not be the basics for those who don't know about command prompt or those who don't know anything about computers. After just try once, you open your computer or laptop, sit like don't sit upon it, but work open the command prompt and try out these commands. And the friend who is just sitting after you will feel like, oh, you know many things, you are hacking something, and you will just stop them. So after yeah. So another thing I would add is, when you are watching the video, you will be also shocked. And another thing is, this is totally safe, nothing is wrong. Okay, so don't feel like, okay, I will want to open it, you will import some viruses and all this. No, it's totally safe. These commands are just for fun, like not fun, but they are used, but we will just use it for, shocking our friend or chilling, right? So let's start. We'll open our command prompt by pressing Windows key plus R, and we'll say CMD, and just we'll press enter. After this, you can see our command prompt is here. Okay, so our first command will be to change the colors. So the default color is black and white, right? But we'll say help color, COLOUR color, right? And just press enter. Okay. Oh, sorry. Computer says COLOR color, right? Now you can see all the things, our codes, color codes. So these all are our color codes, right? If we say 0, then our background will be black, and then afterward what we will say, that will be for our foreground, right? That is our other text colors. So we will say 0 5. Okay, color 0 5 0 5, and then press enter. So you can see it has changed to purple and background with black. But we have to change our foreground, like our text color, to green. So we'll say 0 2, and then press enter. Oh, sorry, I have to say color 0 2, right? So basically this color looks like we are into some systems or we are hacking someone's, but it's totally not like that. So this was my first tip. Let's move on the second tip. So my second tip is to change the prompt name. Like you can see here, it is showing our location, that where we are in our system. So we don't have to like, it's not looking good. So we'll change our name. So we'll say help prompt, and then press enter. So you can see here that there are many signs, or uh, in front of the signs there are codes. So entering then codes, you will get that sign, right? So what I will do is, I will say, okay, so what I'm saying, I will change the name of my prompt. So I will say prompt, where what will keep our name, we'll keep programmatic tag, tag, right? Programmatic tag, and I will say $G. So you can go up and see. Okay, so okay, so you can go up and see what $G means. $G means it will give a greater than sign. So here you can see a greater than sign, and after before that it is our programmatic tag. So we have just created, like, we have just changed the name of our prompt to another default or not default, another custom name. So my another tip is like third tip is we will change the title. After changing this, we have to change this over here. You can see our title, which is upside here. See Windows System 32. Okay, so you have to change tag, right? So simply we will say title and whatever you do name it. So what we are going to name is, no, we are not going to name again it as programmatic tag. Let me think. Okay, so there is a cool name. Like it is not a name, but it is a failure. Like we will say SYST system failure. Sorry, we will say FILURE failure, right? And then just let me say system capital SYST system FAILURE failure, and then we just press enter, and you can see our title has been changed. So it is looking great, like it is not looking that default command prompt. It is looking like we have opened something else. So this was my third tip. Now going to my fourth tip is how to make a hidden folder, but but not like that. We will make it by our command prompt. So we are going to make a new folder over here, right? So we'll say hidden folder, right? I have created this folder, but I can hide like this, going into its property and hiding it, hidden, right? But we don't have to do that, because even if we do, we can go into view, we can say show hidden items, and it will show our folder, but we don't have to do. We have to do some professional thing, right? So we'll go into our command prompt from here, the CMD, and then press enter. After that, what command we have to use is attrib command. Using attrib command, ATTRIP, attrib plus H, then we will say plus S, then we will say plus R, right? And then our folder name. So what's our folder name is hidden folder, and then we will place enter. Parameter format not correct. Okay, just let me rename it. I will like to say it's just as a hidden, right? And I'll go back to my command prompt, and I will say now it is correct. Attribute plus H plus S plus R, and then hidden. Basically this is our folder name, right? So entering the folder name, press enter over here, and after here you can see it is not showing. Even if I will go into view, I will show hidden items, then also it will not show, right? So here you can see hidden items, but you can't see over here. But your folder is here only, but you can't see it, right? You can't use it. So to get back that folder, what we have to do is we have to just say minus S. Okay, let me do it for you. Minus H, minus S, and minus R. So what we have done is basically that wherever we have entered plus, we have to enter minus, and then press enter. After entering it, you can see our folder is back over here, right? So this was a cool trick, right? And going further, which trick we have is to copy all the output. Like if we say ipconfig config, and you know that this is almost more than 20 or 30 lines, right? So if you want to copy this whole data, what we'll do is we'll say ipconfig and put a pipe over here, right? The line, and then we'll say clip. What we'll say clip, and then press enter. So what have this clip function has done is just copy all the output, right? Then we will open our notepad. Oh, sorry, notepad. And here we just paste it. You can see I will paste all the output over here. So like this, you can uh, like the lengthy data, you can copy it and paste it over wherever you want, right? And another trick is like how to see the history of your commands. Like if you press F7, you can see all the history which I have used till now. Here you can see first of all I used to hide folder, right? Then to show folder, then ipconfig, then ipconfig and copy slash clip, like that. So F7 is used to like see the history of all the commands, right? Okay, so now some folders can be created. That is like if we want to name as font, we can't create this folder. Why? It will be saved as the specific device name is invalid, because these folder names are reserved by the Windows or Microsoft, right? Not Microsoft, it is like reserved by the Windows. Even though we can name it as aux, 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 we can name it too. But I have a trick to name like it, right? To name folders like that. How? So again, it's all the our mighty command prompt CMD. Opening it, okay. Here we'll say MD and font slash backslash, and our command is done. We have to just press enter, and our folder will be here. You can just say refresh, and you can see our folders. Okay, so we can like create it, but we can't use it because the handle is invalid. I don't know what's that. Okay, like that we can say MD and say aux, and then backslash and enter. So as you can see, I have created it, right? So this video is not for educational use, right? You can get more knowledge about command prompt, but this is just for fun, like to shock your friends, to bet with your friends that yeah, I can make the folders like this. He will say you can't make it, and you will say yeah, I can make it, and bet some rupees or anything you want. So this was all the commands. So if you like this, like and subscribe my video.